Everybody, I just want to give you a quick tutorial on how to use Google Meet for video conferencing. So I'm not going to set virtual office hours. I just want you to know that you can reach out and contact me anytime you have a question using Google Meet. And if I can answer the call, I will. I don't care if it's 11 o'clock at night and you're working on something for your website, a sample of your, say, ability to use a tech tool, and you want to run something by me. Try it. Give me a call. If I can take it, I will. All right. So I want you to know that the door is always open 24/7 for the time that we're in this quarantine. So you'll go to meet.google.com, click join or start a meeting, give it a name. And then you might have to give permission for Meet to access your microphone and webcam. After that, click join meeting and add people. So for the example, I'll just drop in my personal account, and now I've invited that account, and I just received an email. And join meeting. So there is an app for this called Google Meet. It's okay. I like it on the desktop or computer better. And we're getting some crazy feedback, so I'm going to mute my microphone. Now, normally you wouldn't mute your microphone, but for this video call, the feedback will be very distracting, so I'm just going to get rid of that. So on the screen, you're seeing the other person, right? And so you can engage in conversation and see that person. But when it comes time to show me your website, I'm going to need to look at it, or whatever tool you're working on. You'll click in the bottom right-hand corner, Present Now, and take your entire screen and activate it, share. There we go. And then if you scooch over to your website now, on my device, as the second person, I am seeing your website. So when you scroll through it, it does on my side too, right? So I can hear your voice, but I'm seeing your screen. So it's a great way to show me something, but still engage in live conversation, okay? So then when you're done, you just simply go back to the Meet and stop presenting, or you could just hang out. And now I'm brought back to just the other camera, right? And engaging in conversation with that person. And then you just hang up the call. So leave the call, return to home screen, and that's it. That's all you do, okay? That's about the easiest way, I think, within the G Suite framework to be able to contact somebody else. So again, I want you to, I really mean this, anytime you need to talk about anything, the door is always open. I don't know what your schedules are like, or what you're juggling. So I don't want to set certain office hours. They're anytime, okay? So I think about you guys a lot, and I hope you're staying safe. And you know, one of my mantras has always been leverage technology and internet tools to be able to uplift those around you. If you're on social media, there's a lot of weight right now. Try to leverage tech to add some joy to the world and improve someone else's day, right? So think about you guys, stay safe, lay low, and we'll see you soon.